And here's our ingredients. I am making 1 pound ground turkey, 1 can of green beans. Make sure it's no salt added, as you can see. Make sure that mark is there. And of course, we're using our fat, which is 1 tablespoon of that. And this one right here is my base mix, as you can see. It's got quite a few dried mix in there. And this is more of like a hack for Dr. Harvey's base mix. I just make my own blend. Alright, hi guys. This is my new dehydrated vegetables, greens mix. It's more of like if you use Dr. Harvey's base mix, somewhat similar, but I made my own blend. And and I'm so excited because it really smells good. And not only I use it to mix for my dog's food, we also use it to sprinkle it when we have like some type of soup. I put it on top because this one right here is very nutritious, and it's got all of these are dehydrated. I dehydrate all my vegetables and powdered some of them. So this one's got carrots, kale, purple cabbage, Bella mushrooms. As you can see, there's these mushrooms. Let's see if you can see that. And dandelion powdered. I powdered the dandelion, wheatgrass, alfalfa, spinach. Also blueberries powdered, blueberries. There is some green chard and collard greens. Also put powdered beets, Brussels sprouts that I flakes, celery, I powdered it, and then ginger that I powdered it. It smells so good. So this is so delicious. So if you're interested how to just hit the comment below.